My video tutorial will provide you with detailed guidelines that will help you to remove the ransomware, which is called Demon. This ransomware is the part of the bebug ransomware family. In the video, I will demonstrate to you how damaging this ransomware is. So my video is solely for the demonstration purposes, for educational purposes. I'm showing you the damage caused by this ransomware. I am not related to this ransomware. So before the ransomware attack, you can open your data without any troubles or any complications at all. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this demon ransomware may be pretty easily injected. It is called like that because it appends this daemon extension to the files, and it is not possible to use the files anymore. You try to open this specific file and you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the daemon extension. The ransomware also drops this ransom note on the computer screen, indicating that you need to pay the ransom and to contact the developers using some email addresses. On the other hand, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that your files would be restored. So if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money for nothing. Don't pay it, don't waste your money. What we recommend you to do right now is to immediately research your computer with Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. To download it, you might need to use some Internet Explorer browser because other browsers may also be modified by the ransomware. So go to the website combocleaner.com, download the program, install the application, and click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in this mode. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any ransomware. Please pay attention to the features of Combo Cleaner. For instance, it has got this feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders, and the contents of these folders will always be protected against ransomware attacks. Then the scanning by Combo Cleaner would begin. The scanning duration, of course, depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is, it may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may also depend on many other factors, of course. Nevertheless, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to get rid of some threads manually as usual, but we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected and to remove this ransomware and other malware fully from your device. So upgrade to premium. That's the best solution in this case, and you may always ask for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.